Hello, ma'am, sir. I am Yolanda B. Magsino from Philippines. I am 46 years old, married with 3 kids. Their ages are 19, 15, and 11. I work in Manila, Philippines as a housemaid year 1998 until 2000. In year 2014 up to 2016, I work in Qatar as a domestic helper. In 2020 until now, 2025, I work also as a housemaid in Manila, Philippines. My main duty is cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, take good care of the children, and marketing. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am hardworking and trustworthy person. I will respect and honor the 2 years contract I am signing. I will promise that I will not break my contract. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and see you soon.